Back, everybody. I'm here to talk about bipolar disorder and a great technology that can be used to assist with it. So, what is bipolar disorder, first of all? Well, it's the change of movement in terms of our brain patterns. That's what it is. So, when as we think, our mood changes. And then as we're thinking about one thing, we all of a sudden start thinking about something completely unrelated. So the problem is then if we're a student in the classroom, it helps that we end up not staying focused. But being focused is important because it's also affects how we get our work done and or not get our work done. The purpose of UDL is to be able to bring students back into the classroom rather than having them work with either educational assistants or disability services people in universities. So one app that I've found in my research that would be helpful for this is called Wunderlist. So let's go ahead and try downloading it together here and see and just get an idea of what it looks like. So to do that, you just go to wunderlist.com, as we can see right here, which is the website, and then we click Download Wunderlist. Now that we clicked on Download Wunderlist, we're just going to go ahead and say go to Canada, because Canada is where we're from here. And then we're going to hit Get. Now that we hit Get, we've been redirected to the store here, the Microsoft Store. So in the Microsoft Store, we just go ahead and say Get on the app, and then we're just going to go ahead and say no thanks to the message about using across devices for right now. Okay, it's starting the download. It says it's acquiring a license for it, and it's downloading it. And so Wunderlist helps people capture their ideas and do their work. Other things it can do is it can help. So I could put together a schedule then for my students in the classroom using this software, and then the student can use the software to be able to stay on track. So let's go ahead and launch it here now, and just to get a better idea of what it looks like. Okay, so the first thing you have to do before you ever do anything in it is to create an account. So that's what we'll do here. We'll just go ahead and create an account. So I'm going to use my own account here, well, my credentials to create an account. So I'm doing that here now. I'm just going to go ahead and put in an email address here, which will end up sending me some sign up information. So I'm just throwing all that in there, and it's just about there. Okay. And then I just hit sign up after that. And then when I hit sign up, it's going to go through the process of signing me up. Okay, now it's here. So in here, I have several things. I have an inbox in here. The inbox is going to be actually tied to the email address that I set up in here. But in here, we can go ahead and add to do things. So for example, one thing to do is I lost my car keys today. So I need to put find my car keys. Once I put that in there, I'll see it there and I'll know that it will keep me on track basically, and that's important. So, and I can sign into this on any mobile devices as well. So in the classroom environment, I would probably have an account called student1 at something.com basically, and then sign up with the username, sign up with the information for the student, and then myself and the student's parents would have the ability to sign in there if it was in the K to 12 system. But if it was in the college system or the university system, it would just be myself as the instructor and the student signing in there, and maybe disability services. And this would show that I'm giving my student an accurate yet decent assignment list to work on to stay on track for the day. So yeah, that's really all I wanted to show for this video, and there are other great apps out there too to help with different disorders. but pretty much we want to be there for the students and give them some tools they need, even if the tools are small tools, to be able to help them stay on track and be successful in their class. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye now.